Hi everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the month of September 2020 has in store for the sun sign Aquarius. Overall, the month for the sun sign Aquarius is a very happy and a joyful one without much of tensions or worries. It's going to be a very smooth sailing and a happy month, and you would find yourself bonding a lot, particularly with people this month, whether they be from your personal space or professional space. It's a month of basically nurturing and bonding and developing a lot of relationships, particularly for this month. So this month you will have to pay more attention to how you bond with people, because you could really make some good relationships, especially in the month of September 2020. Moving on to the workspace, this month your workspace is literally going to be like heaven for you, because you will just realize that everything is happening at a very smooth and a nice pace. If in case you need some help, your seniors will be very cooperative, your juniors will be absolutely up to the mark, your colleagues are going to be very very helpful and understanding, and they are literally going to see to it that if in case you are burdened with something extra, everybody is going to come and help you at your place of work. So you will literally feel as if your workspace is not your workspace, but it's literally like a family. This month is so good work wise, especially at your workspace. And moving to finances are absolutely beautiful. You are very let's say absolutely planned. Your finances are properly in space. It's just that you need to pay a little bit attention to the way and manner in which they are being spent. Sometimes what happens is you might not be very interested in knowing the little details of the finances. So this month is particularly the month where the cards are asking you to streamline the entire financial schedule for the month of September 2020, and pay attention a little bit towards how, when and how much is it that the finances are required and spent. Nothing to worry about. It just helps you to streamline the entire process of your finances, and that will be helpful for you. Moving on to the area of relationships, this month will be a very good month if you make an effort to express your concerns to your family members or loved ones. Sometimes what happens is you are facing some kind of discomfort, or let's say there's something in your heart which you're not very comfortable opening up with your folks, and you might actually wonder as to what is it or how is it that you will be perceived if in case you actually go ahead and speak out. But then what is going to happen is, not speaking up is also not going to do you good. You might actually get more disturbed and take unnecessarily stress and tension on your head. So rather than that, why not make an effort and take that first step and try to speak about what you're feeling within your heart, and what is it that is troubling you with your loved ones or the people whom you really really trust. You will be actually surprised at the suggestions they give, and you might actually realize at the end of the day that all that things that you were actually keeping to yourself, they were not worth it, and that things got immediately solved the minute you prefer to speak to your loved ones. So don't keep things within yourself, speak it out to your loved ones, and see to it that you put that burden off your head. When it comes to health, this Aquarians actually have to be very very careful this month. Though everything is very nice, but the pressure that I've been speaking about, that you've been keeping in your head, it might in your head, it might cause you to just be a little bit hypersensitive. And especially for this month, just get your blood pressure checked, because that stress might could kind of get to you. You might get a little bit jittery, you might get a little bit uneasy, and so just get your blood pressure checked, just to be on the safer side. And hence this is a very gentle suggestion as to not keep yourself stressed from within, because eventually it is going to affect your health. So yes, have a very beautiful and a blessed month ahead. Thank you.